Due to the evolving situation of COVID, airport operators are faced with the critical need to not only ensure the health, safety, and confidence of the traveling public, but also to ensure a safe working environment for all staff. By understanding these new challenges, specifically the challenges related to airfield safety and operation management, Team Eagle has designed a UVC LED system to decontaminate multi-user airfield equipment. UVC light is a scientifically proven and safe method, not only as a surface disinfectant, but also to decontaminate the air in small spaces, critical for multi-user areas such as vehicle cabs. Introducing CleanRide, a vehicle-mounted, portable, and safe UVC decontamination system designed to provide airfield operation managers peace of mind when it comes to providing the cleanest possible environment for airfield operation personnel. As the industry reshapes its future, Team Eagle remains focused on supporting our customers and ensuring the highest level of safety for the public and for all airfield operation crews. Team Eagle is ready for takeoff.